Alright people, so I got a BABA update plan here. Before I get to the plan, I want to talk about what happened. On this day here, I complained that, especially on this, that the volume wasn't good, and we looked for confirmation. As we were trying to confirm, I didn't like the volume, and during this run-up, I complained about the volume, and then I made an additional plan on that. The next day we actually opened up with a little bit of strength, but they quickly it could not hold. And I talked and I warned about that. You need to solve the problem. We're going to have to watch for basing um, above 108 and look for power through 109. It failed to do that, and kaboom! They dropped this lower. So if you measure this high, this swing, let's go look at the charts for a second. Okay, so here we are at the charts, right? So let's take a look at the you see here it is. So the high was 108.70. As you can see, we had no power. And if I go to a 10-minute chart, and so you take that high 107.80, and you take that low, right? 103. Practically, we'll say 104. That's a pretty strong swing to the downside. Would you not agree? And that had an effect on options and probably stopped people out and so on and so forth. Again, I called this as an incorrect breakout. However, we now have something that's set up again, and I want to talk about that. And also, let's go look quickly at the 10-minute chart, people, and look what happened that day. So you see, they opened it up. Within 10 minutes, it's lost power already. So already, we didn't have volume to the upside. We had the volume the wrong way. They attempt again, and of course, I said we needed 109. It could not, and you can see the and boom, 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 boom. Listen, I didn't expect them to do this, but what I'm getting was I said this wasn't a good setup, and when we wait for confirmation, we avoid the noise. All right, people, let's get to the plan. All right, people, so here's the BABA plan. Let's talk about that. BABA is set up to test 117 to 122 next. But confirmation will be key. So I've always been positive about BABA. I think BABA has a potential to move largely, but I also believe we need the power, the pressure, or we're going to be stuck in chop. That I can tell you. Okay, it's not the perfect setup, but something has happened where we might be able to get in early. So let's talk about this. I will explain the facts not seen in these boxes. So make sure you listen carefully to this whole plan, people. The April 21 110 calls could be used for some massive gains. Again, I've never was bearish or negative, nor do I want to short BABA. I think it's stupid to short this, but I don't want to be stuck in chop. That means up, down, up, down, up, down. And that's what this has been doing. This is called what I call chop. That's not fucking real moves. And this was not a real breakout. This is not, still has to break out BABA just to teach and inform. You could see the volume was pretty cool. That's volume, people. That's volume. Okay? That's volume. This thing needs some serious volume. Again, let's talk about this confirmation here. BABA needs to break above 106.70 on some strong action volume. Strong action volume is 2 million on a 10-minute chart. If the volume, again, people, if we take this entry, I want to see some strong volume power through 106.70. Then let's take action. We've got 2 million, and we're holding above 106.70 within a 10-minute time frame. At least 10 minutes of trading should happen. That's a great signal to go long BABA as an early entry signal, people. We still need to bust above key support, that 109 area, but that would be, I would say, to take that then. And anticipation, we will smash that 109, 110 barrier. But if we do not get the volume, okay, we do not get the volume and the pressure through the 106.70 area, and hold above that well, I would consider not taking this, not waiting for the confirmation through a lot of volume, the same process through 109 to the 109.5 area. Because if this stock, again, I'm going to make this very clear, like I did to the Celgene board, which they got hammered and smashed to pieces as well, going against power trick or trade, the people who want to be stupid. I always told them the big picture is if BABA wants to move, people, if it goes to 117 to 122, believe me, these 110 calls are gonna make you a fortune. Let's go take a look at the options, people. All right, people, we're here at the BABA board. BABA closed at 106.09, up $1 today. Here's the April 21, 2017 calls. And let's go take a look at the 110 calls. You know, these 110 calls still nice and cheap. You know what? The beautiful thing you can get in this. Now look at you know what's nice about this, and I like this. Look at this. Lots of great open interest, lots of volume trading. So I tell you, people, I'm looking for this stock to confirm, especially with the new signal, and of course when it follows my plans and structures. I'm glad to get into BABA, and we're going to get into BABA for the right reasons, not for the wrong reasons, right? And BABA now has to prove itself, people. Like I said, these options I'm documented in the video. Okay, these are going to turn $5, $6, $7 a piece. Okay, if this confirms right, this is going to make massive money. All right, with these options. So this is why I'm interested in the BABA trade. But I'm not interested in BABA if BABA doesn't want to confirm. I don't care if I have to pay $2 each for these options. And this wants to confirm, we're going to make a killing. These are going to go to $6, $7, in my opinion. With the proper confirmation, we have a higher odds of hitting with those type of targets. Man, BABA is going to fly. So believe me when I tell you, buying the power and the pressure and then engaging in these April options, if we can confirm properly, they're going to be massively profitable. All right, people, if you like this update plan and how I do things, I do this for a lot of stocks. I mean, you should check out my win update. You'll have to look for it. It looks like this right now, but when I upload videos, things shift around. You'll have to look through the uploads. You know, you have to learn how to use. You have the menus, you know, and they kind of show you can shift through videos this way. You know what I mean? So people, listen to me. I document what I do. I'm serious what I do. I'm only trying to help. I'm not trying to be the bad guy. But I called Selgin out as a fake breakout, and it failed. And I did it for weeks in a row, and I did it with BABA. Forget about market. People make a lot of excuses. Market, blah, 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 blah. Listen to me. It has nothing to do with that. If you look at my win breakout plan, this stock held its gains. This has to do with improper action. But you know what? Doesn't matter. BABA gave us another opportunity for better prices, cheaper options, and more profits. Be happy. Listen, people, confirmation is key. It's a weapon against time decay on options. I make killer. Listen to me. You got to go to my website, Power Target Trades. I got a lot of great documented videos from the beginning of the. You're going to see 300% gains in Google with weekly options. 200% gains with Apple with monthly options, what we're using now, in 4 days. Let me show you the video, people, quickly. To get to what I'm talking about, simply click on this link over here. So here's my website loading up. It's a little bit slow, the internet here, but it kind of does this. There's a web thing. But you see, I'm going to come over here. See this? Oh, this is nice. But this video here is a very well-documented video of Google, 300% gains in 3 days. Apple, 200% gains in 4 days. And what it is I show you this is before the breakout, all documented and proved with how to get in. And this was all timed and confirmed. And then the exiting price, and it shows it it's a very well documented educational video, people, of why you want to follow me, because I make great plans. Check out this, check out the videos. There's a lot of great documented videos for you to see on my website here, Power Target Trades. So there you have it, people, a great update. Power Target Trade over here, people. See the Sandro Power Trigger Trade is going to appear in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.